Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we have set 4 for our ongoing series of practicing 15 questions daily. Let's start with the first one, that is, a cartel aims at maximizing individual profit, industry profit, share of output of members और goodwill of the members. So जो भी cartel होता है, it aims at maximizing the industry profits. Then another second question is the statement that no one can be made worse off without making someone worse off describes which of the following. Tell me in the comment section which of the following is true. It is for Pareto optimum. What is the right answer? Pareto optimum. Third question is Slutsky equation explains. It explains the split between the price income substitution and the income effect. What is the equation of Slutsky? That is delta x upon delta px, which shows the price effect. Delta x upon delta p of x, okay, is equals to constant plus x delta x upon delta I px upon py constant. So this is a substitution effect, this is an income effect, this is substitution effect, and this is total price effect. Total price effect. Cool. Fourth one is the in consumption, inferior goods have negative income effect, positive income effect 0, or infinite income effect. That is negative income effect is the right answer. Which of the following is not a problem of insurance market? Adverse selection, moral hazard, asymmetric information. Insurance market में हमारे पास what would be our answer? It is the principal agent problem. Okay. Sixth one, which is not a sampling distribution? Which is not a sampling distribution? You have T distribution, F, Poisson distribution, chi-square distribution. The right answer is Poisson distribution. If with the increase in the income, the percentage of income collected as tax remains constant. So, percentage of income जो है वो constant है, तो it is proportional. Eighth, the social cost curve lies above the private cost curve for the producer in case which of the following? Its right answer is for the negative externalities. Okay. Let's make a quick diagram. This is that is a demand for the private value, and this is supply. Because social cost ज़्यादा होती है, in that case there is an external cost is also added, so it will be like this. So the social cost curve lies above the private cost. So this is the social cost and this is the supply of the private cost है. इसमें social cost है, इसमें private cost भी included है, plus इसमें external cost भी included है. तो this is above it. और ये डिमांड है, ठीक है. नाउ नाइन्थ वन, द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ कोरिलेशन इज इंडिपेंडेंट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? सो यू हैव ऑप्शन चेंज ऑफ ओरिजिन ओनली, देन चेंज ऑफ स्केल, चेंज ऑफ ओरिजिन एंड स्केल. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ कोरिलेशन जो होता है वो इंडिपेंडेंट होता है दोनों का ही, चेंज ऑफ ओरिजिन एंड चेंज ऑफ स्केल. Which production function admit both Herod neutral and the Hicks neutral case? What is the right answer? That is Cobb-Douglas production function. So the right answer is Cobb-Douglas production function. Sorry. Right. Reserve Army of Labor term was used by who among the following? कार्ल मार्क्स के द्वारा लिया गया था. 12th है बैकवर्ड एंड फॉरवर्ड लिंकेजेस आर रेलिवेंट फॉर विच काइंड ऑफ ग्रोथ स्ट्रैटेजी? अनबैलेंस्ड, ट्रिकल डाउन, बैलेंस्ड और किसके लिए होता है बताइए? दिस इज अनबैलेंस्ड के लिए होता है. 13th, who developed the use of trade indifference curves? Okay, we have done this. Who developed the use of trade indifference curves in the analysis of the trade theory? बताइए किसने किया है? Option is first one. Which among the following is not the main areas of the Basel III norms? बताइए इसका आंसर क्या होगा? This is bank branch expansion. It is not the main areas of the Basel III norms. Now the last question of our series is, which among the following is most volatile flow of foreign exchange? Tell me which of the following is the the most volatile. That is foreign portfolio investment. ठीक है. सो जनरली पोर्टफोलियोज जो होते हैं वो ज़्यादा वोलेटाइल होते हैं कंपैरेटिवली टू डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट, एंड ऑल्सो दी पोर्टफोलियोज आर जनरली द शॉर्ट टर्म के होते हैं. ओके, दे कैन कोज अनइवन एक्सपेंशन, अनकॉन्ट्रैक्शन, डोमेस्टिक लिक्विडिटी. एंड मान लीजिए अगर आपके पास थोड़ा सा भी आपकी कंट्री में पॉलिटिकल इंस्टेबिलिटी आ गई, सो दे कैन जस्ट टेक देयर मनी एंड दे कैन गो. ओके, अगर डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात करते हैं, फ्लोज ऑन दी अदर हैंड दे आर द लॉन्ग टर्म नेचर एंड फॉर दैट रीजन दे आर लेस वोलेटाइल. ठीक है. और बीइंग विजिबली एम्बेडेड इन इन्वेस्टमेंट इन प्लांट एंड इक्विपमेंट, लाइक अगर आप FDIs की डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात करते हो तो उसमें हो जाएगा आपके जो प्लांट में जो लगता है, इक्विपमेंट में. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि आप थोड़ी सी इंस्टेबिलिटी आती है, आप भाग नहीं सकते हो. ठीक है. FDI, it is less volatile to sudden withdrawals out of the country, and it leads to the productive use of capital and consequent economic growth could be taken care of, right?